What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. This is my Surron Ultra Bee, and this is the Surron Ultra Bee shift lock. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install the shift lock on the Surron Ultra Bee in under 2 minutes. Let's get right into it. Step one, we're gonna remove this bolt and this bolt from our Ultra Bee. It's gonna be a 6mm Allen key. Next, we're gonna put together the shift lock. So you're gonna get 2 flat-headed M8 bolts in your kit and 1 socket head M8 bolt. We're gonna take the socket head bolt, send it on through the peg, just like so. Then we're gonna take a 6mm Allen key, put it on the bolt, put the bolt through our shift lock bracket like so, and install the nut onto the backside. Once we got that baby snug, we're gonna take our 13mm wrench and tighten it on down. Like so. Then we can just take this little plastic cap here and push it onto the peg, and it should look about like that. Now let's toss her on the bike. Back over here at the bike, we are gonna take our flathead M8 bolt, put it through the bracket and spacer on the back side, then fit it up to this hole here and slowly tighten her down. Then we'll take our other flathead bolt, put it through the bottom, and then again, spacer on the back side, line it up with this hole and tighten her on in. Now we just gotta snug that baby down and we are done. There we go. Same to the top. Ugh. Bam! That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is how you install the Surron Ultra Bee shift lock. It's really that simple. If this was helpful for you guys at all, don't forget to check out all of our other installation videos down below. Peace.